Last year, when the first snow started to fall, I did the illogical thing. I took a break from preparing the house for winter, and instead, a few friends and I boarded our local bus and headed into town. People often ask me why I wanted to live in Nozawa Ansen, and while the full answer is a bit complicated, maybe this video can provide a glimpse of why this is my favorite place in Japan. I first came to know the town for the amazing skiing, and it was a place unlike any snow destination I had ever been. While it has all the necessary ski-adjacent amenities, by that I mean great food and a fun après-ski scene, I always felt there was something more to it. I think what makes Nozawa Onsen different from other large-scale resorts is that it's a living, breathing town populated with small, family-run businesses where people live year-round. It has culture, temples, local agriculture, and as I've now come to know, amazing people. Winter is always beautiful here, and this footage leaves me natsukashi, or nostalgic. While I enjoy all seasons, the first snowfall is definitely a special time.